Housemates,
Yes, big brother.
welcome to Bare Minimum Week.
Welcome to Men Week.
As the name implies, you will be denied certain privileges this week. To this effect, certain areas of the house will now be restricted. Big Brother expects full compliance. Do you understand?
Yes, big brother.
Oh my God! No washing machine! No washing machine! No washing machine!
Naija go dey come the car.
You can sleep anywhere, but please, you have to return all of this. All of the cushion, no cushion. Please take back your cushions. Please take back your cushions. The throw pillows, please take it back.
Take it back to the
Take it back, please. No, take it back. You're not meant to use any of them, please.
What a good week to be the head of house.
Take the pillows you took in from the garden